Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Zodiac Signs, what they mean to a chaos being. You are a chaos being, and as a chaos being, you are a creator, manifester, God. Meaning, you are in control of your life and how your life is going to be run. The magician. So when I see gods, titans, chaos beings letting another energy dictate how they move, I understand they haven't let the human shit go yet. These zodiac signs are a part of this circle of time. You are trapped into this circle of time. 12. These 12 zodiacs are real and true in form. These energies can rule over you if you still playing human. There comes a point in time when you have to step out the 12 and become the 13. The middle point. Getting out of the circle of time is vital for you to say, I'm in control. Nothing runs me. The mind is all. I have the mind of God. I am a titan. Now listen carefully. We come through these particular zodiac windows to experience life as that demiurge energy. But that was for our childhood and before we stepped into consciousness, so we can learn something new. We as these soul beings chose a particular gateway to come into the experience that particular energy exudes through pain, power, emotions, so we can fulfill our life's purpose. So once you're fully engulfed in this knowledge and you understand knowledge of self, you step aside from this human shit and claim yourself God, Titan, Chaos being. Don't get me wrong, you can still manipulate these zodiac signs so you can understand the humans you're dealing with in your waking life, understand certain alignments that you can manipulate in your rituals. But when you proclaim yourself as that 13, that middle point, that's when you let all this human shit go and power up your mind through the Christ consciousness thinking. Escaping the clutches of the circle of time and becoming the ultimate scientist, magician, God. Dream wise.